Do you like fresh fruit? Yes, I like fresh fruit. Which bus do you take daily? I take bus number 7 daily. Did you watch TV last night? Yes, I watched TV last night. What is your favorite drink? My favorite drink is lemonade. Where did you go yesterday? I went to the park yesterday. Do you use social media often? Yes, I use social media often. How do you spend weekends? I spend weekends with family. Do you enjoy cooking meals? Yes, I enjoy cooking meals. Which sport do you play? I play basketball often. What time do you wake up? I wake up at 6 daily. Do you prefer tea or coffee? I prefer coffee in mornings. Where is your office located? My office is downtown. Did you call your friend today? Yes, I called my friend today. What kind of music you like? I like pop music mostly. Do you read books regularly? Yes, I read books regularly. Which movie did you watch recently? I watched a comedy movie recently. Do you like fast food? Yes, I like fast food. Where do you usually eat lunch? I eat lunch at cafeteria. Do you enjoy traveling abroad? Yes, I enjoy traveling abroad. What is your favorite holiday? My favorite holiday is Christmas. Do you use a smartphone daily? Yes, I use a smartphone daily. Which app do you use most? I use WhatsApp most often. Do you like rainy weather? Yes, I like rainy weather. Where do you usually exercise? I usually exercise at gym. Do you enjoy swimming pools? Yes, I enjoy swimming pools. Which pet do you prefer? I prefer dogs as pets. Do you like cats or dogs? I like dogs more. Where do you buy clothes? I buy clothes at Target. Do you enjoy shopping malls? Yes, I enjoy shopping malls. What is your favorite color? My favorite color is blue. Do you wear jeans often? Yes, I wear jeans often. Which shoes do you like? I like sneakers mostly. Do you enjoy family dinners? Yes, I enjoy family dinners. Where do you celebrate birthdays? We celebrate birthdays at home. Do you like ice cream? Yes, I like ice cream. Which flavor do you prefer? I prefer chocolate flavor. Do you enjoy reading newspapers? Yes, I enjoy reading newspapers. Where do you get news? I get news online. Do you like watching sports? Yes, I like watching sports. Which team do you support? I support Lakers team. Do you enjoy playing games? Yes, I enjoy playing games. Where do you play soccer? I play soccer at school. Do you like sunny days? Yes, I like sunny days. Which season do you prefer? I prefer summer season. Do you enjoy winter holidays? Yes, I enjoy winter holidays. Where do you go skiing? I go skiing in Colorado. Do you like hot chocolate? Yes, I like hot chocolate. Which drink do you prefer mornings? I prefer coffee mornings. Do you enjoy long walks? Yes, I enjoy long walks. Where do you walk evenings? I walk evenings in park. Do you like listening to radio? Yes, I like listening radio. Which station do you prefer? I prefer local station. Do you enjoy concerts? Yes, I enjoy concerts. Where did you attend last concert? I attended a rock concert. Do you like dancing parties? Yes, I like dancing parties. Which dance do you enjoy? I enjoy salsa dance. Do you enjoy cooking breakfast? Yes, I enjoy cooking breakfast. Where do you eat breakfast? I eat breakfast at home. Do you like pancakes? Yes, I like pancakes. Which topping do you prefer? I prefer syrup topping. Do you enjoy visiting museums? Yes, I enjoy visiting museums. Where is your favorite museum? My favorite museum is Smithsonian. Do you like art galleries? Yes, I like art galleries. Which artist do you admire? I admire Picasso artworks. Do you enjoy photography? Yes, I enjoy photography. Where do you take photos? I take photos in nature. Do you like beaches? Yes, I like beaches. Which beach did you visit? I visited Miami Beach. Do you enjoy camping trips? Yes, I enjoy camping trips. Where do you camp usually? I camp usually in forest. Which mountain did you hike? I hiked Mount Rainier. Do you enjoy bike rides? Yes, I enjoy bike rides. Do you like morning exercise? Yes, I like morning exercise.